is it on? Oh, okay. Hi guys. Sorry for that. Today we're gonna do this, and today I'm gonna show you how to do this. We're gonna use Play-Doh. Where's the Play-Doh again? Oh, sorry. We're gonna use Play-Doh. We're gonna use some frame to frame it. Let me get the frame out. We're gonna frame it. I kind of opened it a little bit, so my mom could not have a hard time trying to open it. It was really hard. So first up, we have to staple this. I'm gonna let my mom do this part because it's really hard, actually, the hard part. These are one of the hardest parts. Thank you. I really need stuff to help. You see? We're gonna use 4 Play-Dohs. First we use this. I like the color red, of course. People like color red. Good color, good taste. So color red goes in the middle. Okay guys, I'm done with the middle. Okay. So we have this. Now let's decide what we could do here. Okay guys, we maybe could use neon yellow. Wow, it looks cool. We should use a little to make sure it's good. I hope our neon yellow is good. It's gonna take long. Wanna help? Okay guys, we did the neon yellow. What should we do now? What would you like? I think we could do any. Let me do orange. That would be a good color for this. Bam. Kabam. We could actually make a sausage. We could make a sausage and put it around. So, does anybody know Russian? Does anybody know Spanish? What kind of language do you know? And where do you live? Tell me in the comments. Because I'm doing something that kind of looks like a Mexico design. Because all these are Mexico colors. Orange, neon yellow sometimes, but mostly normal yellow and red. Finish this part. So now we use, what color should we use? Of course, we could use green. I was thinking about that just now. A mind reader is a mind reader. We continue and do all the rest of the ornaments. By the way, guys, if you like my videos, please smash the like button. Okay guys, we're done. So here we're done and we have this. It looks really cool. Now let's take it off the paper that I copied it from. And then we're gonna frame it. Oopsie daisy. We gotta be really careful, guys. So we have this again, but we have to frame it. That's all else we should do. Find the empty frame, and you can make a homemade design instead of buying it with money. We have this. Now we have to, I'm gonna open it. So, okay, we got it out. So I wonder how we put it in, actually. Okay, Mom's gonna show us. Okay. Oh, goodness. We got glass. I'm done. Here, this is how it looks like. Looks beautiful, right? I have an idea. What about let's do here all the way here. We could do like something like this. Put this on top with a little bit of space here. If you use the frame that's the same size, it's called Expedition, right?
Exhibition.
Exhibition. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you liked it. Remember to subscribe. See the thumbs up. Press it. And that means a like. At my last video, remember I planted seeds? They became sproutlings throughout the days. Now, and my next video, I will replant them and put those sproutlings in a flower pot. And bye. We're ending the video now, so bye.